carboard and not an episode of anything in particular. As you can see, I'm out in Scarlet driving, and we should hopefully be in 360 mode, which means you can pivot round wherever you like on the screen just now, and you'll be able to see the mount behind you or anything round about. Hopefully that's the plan, as long as it pans out that way. I'm filming this bit at the end of the drive after I've just finished driving along the A71, where I don't say much because, well, I'm just ending up enjoying it too much. However, we'll now go back to the start, where I'm sitting in a Sainsbury's car park moaning about, I don't know, saying that I don't want people moaning about my driving or something like that. Enjoy! Right, a test of the Insta360 One X2, just if anyone's interested. I'm going to upload this footage in raw 360 fashion, and it's up to you to do as you wish. And obviously, if you're going to leave a comment about my driving, don't bother. hair's standing, but it's not because it's cold. That was sensational. Oh, need a minute. Admire the view. Wow. Wow. This is the what is this, the A71? That's just a good wee road. This is a bit fun. Wow. Changed from stay at home to stay local. That's what I'm doing. This is the first I've driven down this road in Scarlet, so it's just, my heart's going a little bit. I'm loving every second of this. I hope that with the Insta360 camera that it will make doing like just a drive a wee bit more, what's the word I'm looking for? It's not involved, it's begins with an I. Immersive, there you are. Where are we? You're joking me, we're at Darville already? Oh. As it's turned out, the A71 is not actually that long. So that'll have to do it for this mini drive along test of the Insta360, insert catchy title wherever, and even although I haven't really said very much, but I thought I'll put this out anyway, just as if you want to watch seeing the car back on the road. And obviously you can mess around with that, but that's a bit disappointing because I know where Darville is, and well, it's pretty unexceptional driving roads from now till a good few miles time, and I wouldn't make you sit through all that. So yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Normally I would floor it now, but I'm in a town and reasonably speaking I'm not going to go any faster than legally allowed for the safety of the pedestrians and myself. That was a bit anticlimactic. Yeah, I was thinking about saying I'd recommend doing the A71, but I thought it was longer than that. That was a quick couple of miles. It looks longer on the map. That was very disappointing. I genuinely was going to say, oh yes, you should really come and do this road, this is fun, but that was anticlimactic. Although to be fair, it's good for my heart because my heart's actually going a little bit there. That was a bit exhilaration for probably enough for one night. It's getting dark now anyway, but yeah, until the next time, I'll see you then.